Hi guys, welcome back to this Model Engineers Workshop. I'm the chef. Been in the workshop for about half an hour now, I suppose. Didn't realise I actually totally forgot to make any video, but as you can see I'm masking up ready for painting. Probably was good I didn't make any video because it'd be boring as batshit. But as you can see, got the buffer beams already covered up and taped up, ready to go. The top there's been covered over, the other buffer beam at that end's done. Just got to do the inside faces of the horn cheeks, which we sorted out in the last video. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, I've just got it resting on the axle boxes at the moment, just to make getting to this end underneath here was a little bit easier. Didn't have to bend down so far. Then with the axle boxes themselves, I want to tape up those unprimed surfaces just to keep the paint off. It'll make life a little bit easier on later on. I won't need to clean it off. And then I'm going to be masking up the wheels. I need to mask up the ends of the axles here and where the bearings go. And I want to mask off the treads. The rest will be just get sprayed black. Going to be using that. Got no affiliation, guys. I've never used this one before. So apparently epoxy enamel protects against rust and corrosion. Well, there you go. Yep. Oh, there we go. Good old rattle can. So I'm not going to keep this recording, and just so you can watch me putting a bit of tape on. So 8 horn cheeks, 4 axle boxes and 2 axles of wheels. So I'll get those done and I'll get back to you. Alright, see you in a bit. Righto, that's me back again. A few minutes have passed, but I thought I'd just do a quick update in the middle. As you can see, horn cheeks are now all taped up, so they will not need cleaning and getting the paint off once I've sprayed everything. As you saw, the outside's going to be matte black. The inside surface here is going to be the same as the buffer beams. As you can see, there's a few bits already gone in. It's going to be signal red, buffer beam red. But there we go. That's all 4 pairs of horn cheeks taped up, ready for painting. Now, as I said before, just onto the wheels. Back soon. Righto, so that's the wheels done. Got the axle ends done. And the treads, both ends of course. They're all done now. Took a bit longer than I thought it would, because of course these aren't, although they're circular, they're not a parallel circle, are they? They've got a 3.5 or 4 degree taper on it, whatever the Australian standard is. I know I followed it at the time, can't remember the exact number off the top of my head. So of course it all had to be done in nice little bits and stretched across and twisted, but this blue tape, which is, I think it's 3M, available from your local Bunnings. No affiliation to either the manufacturer or, yeah, there you go, Scotch Blue. No affiliation to the manufacturer or to Bunnings whatsoever, just happy customer. So make your own mind up. I suppose ordinary masking tape would do, but this is the blue stuff I've got. It's actually left over from when I did some decorating in the house. So right, onto the axle boxes now, and then we'll get on to setting up for spraying, although that might need to be another day because it's a bit windy outside at the moment and I have to spray outside. I don't actually have a dedicated spray booth. I've got a very large cardboard box which has numerous layers of paint on the inside of it now, but painting will need to be another day, I think. I don't think I'm going to make it to today because it's just too windy. Alrighty, back in a bit when I get the axle boxes done. Okay guys, that's me back. So as you can see, the axle boxes are now all masked off. I've left a nice big tab there to grab hold of once they've been painted, so it's going to be easy to get stuff off. And a stack of bits and pieces that will get sprayed all at the same time. These are all going to be in the satin black. We've got the horn keeps just there, 4 of those. Axle box covers, as you can see there, that one is stamped number 4. So in that little stack there, there's an axle box with a number 4 stamped on it as well. And the horn keeps, the horn cheeks, they're all stamped up as well, so that everything goes in a matching set. The horn keeps, I'm not actually sure. Yes, there you go. There we are. Come on, will we focus? That one's got a number 1 in it. So everything is put together in sets. So even if it ever gets taken off the tender chassis in the future, it'll all be able to go back in the right order. So there we are. Nice little project for an afternoon in the workshop. Taking me a bit longer than I thought it would, but I'm in no rush. Alright guys, usual sort of ending to this video today. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll be back in the next one. So until then, take care. See you later. Hi there again. So just realised I can actually do a bit more in the satin black, because I've got the tender base plate there to do, so I can spray the bottom of that as well while I'm at it. That I'm just going to rough up with a bit of emery cloth just to give the paint a key, so it'll hopefully stay on there for many years. And I've got all of these fittings here that go into that base plate. Many of those, there's 5 holes on there, 5 big holes, you can see them. These are all bulkhead fittings, nice little threaded fittings. I've got 5 of those. They came with their own silicone washers, so they'll be made to be watertight. So the deal is that and the steel washer, which I had to make, is on the bottom, on the outside. The silicone and the brass is on the inside. So I'll get these all cleaned up with acetone. Same with that, once I've got it roughed up and keyed. And then these will be screwed in, and that way once it all goes in and it all gets sprayed, I'll just have to put the plugs in. I've got these blanking plugs. I'll screw those in. It won't matter if they get a bit of back paint on them. And just to keep the threads clean. So this is just a little addition, because I just realised I can paint all this at the same time while I'm doing the wheel sets, the axle boxes, etc., etc., and the outsides of the tender frames. So this is the water filter that goes on the outside of the tank from one of these fittings. Can't remember off the top of my head which one of the 5 holes it goes in. I know the middle one's a drain, so you don't need to store water in it. But everything needs a good clean with acetone and wipe down. And I'll get that keyed, and I'll do an addition to this somewhere down the track when I get a nice windstill day and I can get the big cardboard box outside and get everything sprayed. Alrighty guys, once again, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll be back again soon. This is the chef signing out. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Okay guys, back again. Just a couple of shots just to show. Hope this comes up nicely, but that's the satin black down done on the chassis of the tender. The inside will be painted red, of course. And just to show you what you can do with anything you have. Here we have a wire trellis stuck in the garden, which is proving very useful to be a drying rack for everything that I've painted so far. Alrighty, back soon. Bye bye.